So 5 things you need to know if you want to develop with Google Map API. So this will get you started very quickly. Some of the things you don't want to shoot yourself in the foot for. So first thing is JavaScript closures. If you have not programmed closures, is actually an inner function. So this will Google Map uses a lot of closures, this programming paradigm, to handle events. So if you look at sample codes or you want to do something yourself, so this is the pattern where you have a function called create markers, and then inside there you have another function. So it's an anonymous function in Java world. So
Anonymous function.
yeah. So object literal also uses a lot in the Google Map API, especially if you want to put in some options. So I'll take one example. So for example, you have a G polygon, which you want to set the stroke style. If you refer to the documentation, the last sentence it says, instead, this class is instantiated as a JavaScript object literals. So it's actually like a dictionary in your Python or whatever programming language. So if you want to do custom markers, use the custom markers maker. So there's a website where you can just put your icon, it will generate all the required markers for you, the code, the outline, pixel, and everything. So it saves you a lot of work. So this is the URL. Then you have to understand, especially if you want to do something like G overlay, the marker in the middle that doesn't move, you have to understand the concept between a G point, which is your division pixel, and the coordinate system in Google Map, which is lat and long. So these are some of the things you do want to look at. And finally is the Google Map documents. The document is not a lot, it's very well documented. So it's recommended if you just read everything one shot, right? So you know what is there for you to use, right? Rather than if you want to do something, you go refer to the documentations. Finally, I want to do a calling to local web developers, which is use Google Map. Right? As Nasrul said, I think location-based services or data put on the map is still very little in this part of the world. And I think, so whatever you are doing, think of how you can use Google Maps to visualize the data. Right? So that's about it. Thank you.
Thank you.